Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can fix your Steam's anti-cheat not installed problem. So if you're facing this problem and whenever you download a game and try to play it on Steam it shows you this error, then basically the anti-cheat software is not downloaded in your PC. So what you need to do to fix this issue is to download the anti-cheat system. For that you can just go to your Google or any browser you want and just search for easy anti-cheat setup. So once you search for easy anti-cheat setup like this, the first option, easy anti-cheat, click on it. It is going to take you to the website where you guys can download anti-cheat. Now once you're in this website, it's going to teach you how you guys can install anti-cheat. As you guys can see over here, it's showing you how you guys can install it. So the easy anti-cheat is typically installed automatically with each game, which means the game you want to play, that game already has the easy anti-cheat. So what you need to do is you need to open up the games folder, and from inside the games folder you guys need to go inside the installation folder and locate anti-cheat. And inside of your game folder you are going to see a file which is going to say easy anti-cheat setup. Now I do not know where you have saved your game files, so just make sure where your game file is saved, and inside your game file try to find this. Once you find this, double click on it. Once you double click on it, this thing will pop up. Once this thing pops up, just click on install and this will be installed. Once it's installed, just click on finish. It'll close, and now try to play your game. Your problem should be fixed. So that is basically how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.